Show it in front. Sara media. I request all the media to come here in front. All the media, come in front. Let me tell you, the Meitei will always say three things wherever they say, even on TV, even on newspaper. Only three things they will say. Brainwash Meitei, illegal immigrant. How come we are illegal immigrant when we have Aadhaar card? Is our home ministry a joke? How come we have passport? Is Ministry of External Affairs a joke according to Meitei? How come they call us illegal immigrant from Burma? Why they're not saying from China? Why they're not saying from Bangladesh? Why they're not saying from other neighboring country? Why do they keep saying Burma? How come we come from Burma? That means the border security force who's guarding our border are joker? How come? I had enough of debate on TV hearing these three things from every Meitei, whether they're profession in JNU, whether they're anybody, only these three things. John, lie, liar, 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 Meitei. Liar, 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 Meitei. Let me tell you, they are the one who separated us. They chased us out from Imphal Valley. Like animals huddled together. Put them under the army camp for 6 days with no proper food and no water.
Yes.
6 days they were camped in the army. How dare they accuse us of vandalizing their mandir? We can't even step out from the army camp. Who vandalized those mandir? I don't know. If it is vandalized, it must be done by them only. They are liars. One mandir in Churachandpur, Hare Krishna mandir is standing tall. We do not touch them. We do not touch the mandir. And this rapist, it happened on 4th May. From 4th May से 2 महीने बलात्कार करने के लिए स्ट्रीट में इनको आजादी दिया है, पूरा मणिपुर में they are set free to do more बलात्कार. Why are they not caught, everybody? Why the video has to come out to speak justice for the victim? Why the video has to come out to speak for the atma of the victim? If you want to know who Oliver and who Florence is, I'm going to release this picture. Why should I be afraid releasing the picture of our dear Cookie's own sister, Olivia and Florence? If the media cannot see the truth, if the media cannot see the truth, why are they spreading the lies? Can somebody give my phone? Go to the picture and the media इधर है. मैं 2 picture release कर रही हूँ जो सच्चाई है. I'm not instigating any violence, but I'm here to speak the truth. The suffering of our sister Olivia and Florence. Yes, I'm going to release 2 pictures. If you call me instigating violence, let me tell you, I'm here to speak the truth. They're suffering. Media, अगर दम है इधर आ जाओ. I'm releasing this video. Come. Meitei, liar, 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 liar. Olivia, justice for Olivia, justice for Florence. Come and shoot this picture. दम है कोई media इस picture को release करने के लिए? हिम्मत है क्या? Media इस picture को release करने के लिए? When we put the real picture, they deleted it. When they told the lie, it's going on media. How come? How come Lucy Priya, who called herself an activist and viral activist, is spreading the lies? How come she's spreading the lies and continue to study in the school? How come she's not there on social media? How come? When we do interview, why the government of India ban our interview? They ban our internet. When we speak here in Delhi, they ban our video. was formed. Let me tell you, we never live under Mayday. We never live under Mayday. We never live under Mayday. Never under Mayday. Because even the cookies who has home in Imphal has to head home because they have to work there. But we are never under the Mayday, and we will never be. We will never be.
Never.
When they already separate us and kick us out, why are they holding on now? Why? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. The only thing that we ran out that day was our life. Now they want to take that life also by calling us back in the valley. We are not going back to our killer. We are not going back to these rapists. They are the ones who are inflicting us. Now the country is more worried about the video. They're not worried about why that video happened. It happened on the 3rd of May. The whole country, the whole media is more worried, more interested about this video that went viral on the 3rd. When this happened, had the chief minister curtailed violence, this video wouldn't have happened. Olivia and Florence were dragged out. Police escorted in the police van. The police released them to be raped and killed. Total failure of Manipur government. Total failure of chief minister. Total failure of Manipur police. How come they released them to be molested, to be raped in front of the public? How come the woman, Meitei woman, Mera Paibi, gave them to the young boys to be raped and molested? But this is not the only molestation that happened. There's so many other incidents. My brother and sister, can we all stand together? We're going to shout. We're going to shout. We're going to shout. We're going to shout. Central government, give us justice. Peace without justice is nonsense. Justice to the dead body lying in the valley which the family are yet to see. Post-mortem to the dead body. Yes, I also appeal to the public and to the media. We say the central government failed, we know that. But if the center doesn't remove the chief minister of Manipur, I would also say the central government have failed. Thank you.
Di pa umama?